Hello, this is Torrin, and this is my working LED bounce chaser project for Internet of Things. As you can see, it's bouncing back and forth. No two are on at the same time. And you can see my setup, I have the 4 LEDs, 4 resistors right behind, and then I have 4 jumper cables behind each of or 8 jumper cables behind each of the resistors. 4 are negatives, which are going back here, which you can see then there's one going all the way over to here, and it's grounding it to the Arduino board. And then the 4 that are positive are just going from the light directly over to here through the spots 9 through 12. Then going into the code, I am defining each of the pins 9 through 12, pause length of 300, and the states of right and left. And then that state is starting as left, and then the light is starting at 9. Setting it up, simple, just declaring everything. And then in the loop, I am switching based off of the light. So it is starting on pin 9 and starting left. Pin 9 is the red one, and going left. And technically, this is the left, this red one's the leftmost one, so it should be more like this, just to get a better sense of it. And then if pin 9 is on, then the state will be switching to going right because it's the leftmost one, and then we'll be going to 10, and then going over to 10, which is the blue one. We are turning just that one on, all the other ones off, and then checking the state. If the state, which is tracking which direction is currently being sent in, so in 10 or 9 it sent it right, but then 10 it could be either going left or right, so we have to check it. And if the state is true, which means the state is right, then we go over to 11, which is the yellow one. Otherwise it is going left, and we go back over to red. And then pin 11, same thing, could be going left or right. So then if the state is right, then we are setting it to green. Otherwise, we are setting it back to 10, which is blue. And then over to pin 12, the state's always going to be going left because, as you can see, the rightmost one. And then the light will then be changed to 11. So think of it as a finite state machine. Basically, the only time it really needs to properly think is in these 2 most middle lights, the blue and the yellow, because that's the think on what the current direction is and act. But then with the 2 outer ones, the leftmost and rightmost ones, it can just act because it will always be going either left or right depending on which side you're on. Thank you.